There's a fire. Joshua's house are doing that.
Shut up.
They're behind the tree. Oh. So let's say hello to people.
No, idiot.
They're upstairs, Mum! And there's gold. I saw a firework.
Okay, no.
It's right in the field.
Okay. So that one up.
Those ones are really close to the ground. Wait, just setting up.
Oh, I see one back there. I see some. Oh, did you see it in the tree?
I saw it. Oh, got it ready. Oh! So these are fireworks.